think of your grandfather's time. They couldn't even imagine, or they couldn't even imagine to convert their text into another language. And now, what Google has produced, that is Google Translate. It's now in world's biggest and largest translate machine, that is Google Translate. So hey, welcome to the Google Play Store, and in this tutorial I'm gonna cover about the Google Translate. So I'm gonna dive in Play Store and I'm gonna type translate. Just have to write translate, and as you'll see, the Google Translate that is already has installed on my system. So I'm gonna click on it. So here, as you can see in here, made by the Google LLC, that's the license of Google. And look at the rating of this API. And about this API, there's a little things to say in here. The world is closer than ever with over 100 languages. You can get so many languages, and they're in here. There's some pictures in here, as you can see. This one, use your camera for instant text translation. So then through the camera, like if something is written in somewhere, and you don't want to, you are too lazy to write that one, just open this app, and there's an option to pick that and open the camera. Just focus on the text, and that will translate, and that will copy the text and also translate in your what language you want to translate in it. Okay, and this one, another one, the get text translation without a data connection. So also you can use this API in offline as well. Converse hands-free translate auto detect language. So you don't have to pick anything, it will detect auto. Okay, or also you can draw a character letters with your finger. That's also possible. It's like a notepad in real life. You're writing something with a pen, you're doing it with your own finger. Okay, so let's not be in here. Let's open this API. So I'm clicking on open. Here's the machine that we were talking about, and here is the camera option, the conversation, and transcribe. And as you can see in here, it says tap to enter text. Okay, this one is your primary language section. In here you can select your own primary language. Okay, here is so many languages. Whatever language you are, then click on it. As you can see in English, lot of Hindi as well, Italian, Japanese, lots of languages. So I'm choosing the Spanish. Okay, and sorry, actually in here I have to choose English. Okay, so Spanish is a language that I'm going to translate on. Okay, where is English? There you go. So I choose English, and I'm gonna translate on Spanish. Okay, I'll write cow or book. As you can see, instantly, in just a second, okay, it's show me the result. Look down below. Alternate translations. The noun is el libro. Okay, our word was book, and in Spanish it calls a libro. Okay, so these are things, and these are the definition of it. As you can see, that is really unbelievable things. You write something, and in a second, in a flash, it's translate the word, and what language I choose to translate on, that is Spanish. You can choose what language you want to translate, and here is so many options as like the other side. You can see. So yeah, thank you so much. And also you can copy your text in here by clicking in here. And here's is some settings in here. You can see settings, tap to translate, data use, camera. You can manage this kind of thing, and speed normal, and speech input. Also you can speak. You speak something, and that can also convert in text. So yeah, thank you so much. If you like these videos, hit the subscribe and like the video, and put a comment if there is something to say about this and how you like the video. So thank you.